It is time for CC again, the never-ending source of material.
Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris, from New York, Westchester County. It's 8/6/2023. It's a Sunday. Sorry I was unable to put something out on Friday, but I'll give you something to think about right now. You know what's funny? I love it. Hey, brain dead. How are you? I like to call people brain dead when they can't think. People can't think for themselves at all. I call them NPCs. I call them zombies. They can't think for themselves. The obvious bullshit that's out there. Let's take for example. Okay, the Earth. That's right. Everybody thinks we live on a spinning wet ball, but we don't, unfortunately. But the Earth. We've only explored 5% of our oceans. 5%, guys. That's 5%. 5% of 100%. So that's 95% of our oceans have not been explored. Why? Why? You would think that we would just explore everything here and we would just get so bored, you know what, we've seen it, let's go out into space now. No, we didn't do that. We decided to only explore 5% of the Earth, and then all of a sudden we're in space, launching off rockets and going into space and launching everything and these wandering stars out there and projecting pictures back. You know why we've only explored 5% of the ocean? Because they'll actually have to put something out that's real. You see, space isn't real. They can do whatever.
The real reason why we haven't gone too far down deep into the oceans is because the pressure of the water increases by 1 atmosphere every 10 meters you go down, or about every 30 feet for CC and the Americans. So, and the oceans, the average depth is about 3,700 meters. So it'd be 370 times the atmospheric pressure on the surface. Or when you get really deep down in the Challenger depth in the Marianas Trench, it'd be, and that's about 11 kilometers down. So that's still over 1,100 times the atmospheric pressure. This image is actually taken from the surface of Venus in 1975, where the atmospheric pressure is about 90 times, and it only lasted about an hour, and it was in an atmosphere of 485 degrees Celsius or 905 degrees Fahrenheit, and with sulfuric acid and carbon dioxide. So that's the real reason, not any big conspiracy theory. It's just easier to launch something from 1 atmosphere to 0 atmospheres than it is to put something down into the deep ocean. We have sonar images, which gives a pretty good idea how things look down there. But no, it's just anything we send down wouldn't last that long. Goodbye and have a good day.